Give your skin an instant lift with Phyto Replenish Oil and this do-it-yourself Dermalogica massage technique. To start, lightly press 4 to 6 drops of the oil into your skin. Then, use comfortably firm pressure to perform each movement. Step 1. Forehead wrinkle release. First, place fingertips together in the middle of the forehead and press. Then, glide to the temples, press and release. Step 2. Revitalize eyes. Press between the brows and then glide over the brow bone under the eyes and back to the center. Next, make an S shape between the brows. Alternate presses and S's. Step 3. Glow Point Detox. Press at either side of the nostril, then release and slide to the glow point beneath the cheekbone and press. Next, glide to the hollow just in front of the ear and press. Step 4. Jawline Stress Release. Massage in small upward circles from the center of the chin to the point just below the ear. Press, and then glide down the neck with open fingers to the collarbone. Voila! Dewy skin that looks more radiant than ever.